All right, we are gonna put fractions in the hands of your preschooler, and it's gonna be so much easier than you think. See, the thing is when we give them opportunities to play, we allow them the opportunity to learn fractions. And one of my favorite ways to do that is with Lego. Let me show you. You can do Lego or Duplo, so if you've got little ones around, you don't have to worry too much about like them putting things in your mouth.
Ducky?
Don't worry, I'll rebuild your ducky, lovey. All right, so most Lego is like in a 2x2, 2x4. I've got Duplo here, but you get it. Legos work in the exact same way. Or we've got a 2x6. This is the basis of multiplication as well. We'll get to that as well. Also, I'm gonna build on that. So if we've got a 2x4 and your little one starts building and they use two 2x2s to make a 2x4, they have halved this one. They understand that these two make up this whole, two parts, a whole, but it also builds your fraction. They can keep doing this. And as they build more and more, they're going to become more experienced and able to understand that 3 of these is going to be 1 of these. It's amazing what Duplo and Lego can do in terms of putting fractions into your little one's hands. The same thing works with multiplication. We use words like 2x2 and 2x4 and 2x6. Now, what that does when we play with our kiddos, if we provide them with a vocabulary, it doesn't mean that they're going to learn and understand fractions when they're 4. But when they get to grade 1 and 2 and 3 and they start to learn fractions, they already have the foundation. They understand that it takes 2 of these to make 1 of these, and only 1 of them is half, and you need more. So it's amazing what giving vocabulary can do in terms of setting a really strong foundation so that later on in grade 1, 2, and 3, they're able to fully understand fractions and multiplication at such an easier rate. So give them toys, let them play. Duplo, Lego are great tools. And your job is not to explicitly teach anything, but just to provide vocabulary for them. Use words like 2x2, 2x4, 2x3. Use words like you need half, you need more, you need double. All of those things will help them to understand fractions later on. Make sure to check out the comments, like and subscribe so that you don't miss any amazing tips and recommendations. And if you want more personalized support, we do have a Patreon account and you can go and become a member there. You'll be able to ask questions, get your personal questions answered, and have access to exclusive content as well. Thanks. See you next time.